How do bodily injury claims affect my insurance rates? Imagine you're driving along and suddenly get into an accident that causes injuries to someone else. You might wonder how that could impact your insurance costs. Well, when you file a bodily injury claim because you caused the accident, your insurance company sees that as a sign of higher risk. This often leads to an increase in your premiums. The amount your rates go up depends on how serious the injuries were and how much the claim costs. Usually, if the injuries are severe and the claim is large, your rates could rise between 20 and 50% or more. These increases tend to stay in effect for 3 to 5 years. If you are not at fault in the accident, some states have laws that prevent your insurance from raising your rates just because you filed a claim. But some insurance companies might still increase your premiums based on their policies. Your auto insurance policy includes something called bodily injury liability coverage limits. These are the maximum amounts your insurer will pay if you cause injuries to others. Choosing higher coverage limits can protect you financially if an accident happens. But keep in mind, higher limits often mean higher premiums. If you have a clean driving record, you might see smaller rate increases after a claim. Some insurers also offer accident forgiveness programs that can prevent your first accident from raising your rates. However, filing a bodily injury claim can sometimes cause you to lose safe driving discounts, which could make your premiums go up even more. Knowing your policy's coverage limits and how they work can help you plan better. For example, if your bodily injury liability limits are set at $50,000 per person and $100,000 per accident, your insurer will pay up to those amounts for injuries caused in an accident you are responsible for. If damages exceed those limits, you could be responsible for paying the extra out of pocket. Overall, making a bodily injury claim usually results in higher insurance rates, especially if you are at fault. The increase is based on how risky your insurer sees you after the claim and your driving history. Being aware of your coverage limits and how your insurer handles claims can help you better understand and manage these changes.